coming in, then they can identify where the ball, when the noise is closer, then only they will go for that shot. So, getting a boundary. That's the first boundary. Lovely shot. Brilliant. Poor bit of fielding, but still there was enough firepower. Aneka Devi, she's middling that ball nicely. It was struck nice and firm towards the square leg region and gets a second boundary, and she moves to double figures.
වේගින් එල්ල කර පහරක් ඔවුන් කැමැති පහර මේ තමයි. බොහෝ ක්‍රීඩකවුන් සාගන්නේ ස්වීප් පහර එල්ල කරන්නට හොඳ උත්සාහයක් දැරුවා මේ බී පන්දු රකින්නේ යාර 25 සීමාව ඇතුලේ නිසා වෙන ශබ්දය නිසා තමයි අය පන්දුවට පනින්නේ. යත්‍රවාරයේ ලකුණු 4ක් විය යුතුයි පන්දුව එවර පිටින් දෙසින් ලකුණු 4ක් බොහෝ වෙලාවකට පසුව.
Another boundary here for Aneka Devi Thakur, and every time you see she gets that warm hug from her captain. She understands that this is the innings that will take this match away from Pakistan. It was bowled wide of stump, lot of width on offer. Aneka Devi Thakur nicely drives that one away towards deep covers. Brilliant placement as well from her. Again, look at that width that was being offered. She made room for herself, went outside the line of leg stump. Tourist paradise that you can. I mean, I was so shell-shocked, and so much good traffic rules being maintained. That's beaten some traffic and gone to the boundary as well. Good shot there from Aneka Devi Thakur to get to another boundary towards deep back of the square leg. Ground fielding could have been a little more nicer.
ඉන්දියානු කණ්ඩායම මීට වඩා හොඳින් පන්දු රැක්කවුන් පන්දු රකින්න විට අපි දකිනවා පාකිස්තානු ක්‍රීඩකයන් අතින් යම් යම් දැන් පන්දු රැකින අඩුපාඩු කීපයක් දක්වන්න ලැබුණා. හතර සීමාව වාසන්නේ මේ පන්දුව අතහැරෙන්නේ.
Yeah, there was a lot of time there, Kavila. There was a lot of time. She could have just cool and calmly collected that one. A bit of a straight down the ground, and that beats the mid-on fielder, and it will be a boundary. Extra delivery, costing some extra runs here for Pakistan. Power play gone, and 67 for 1. That was something very nice for me, because I've been traveling all across the world. I've been used to, taking that printout, showing everybody. I was also showing the immigration officer when I came in, but he said, "Sir, you just give me your passport. I will type the passport. I will get to know in the system whether you have the e-visa or no." But that ball's taken a little e-visa towards the boundary ropes. Nice drive, and yeah, that is the boundary. A definite e-visa written all over that ball.
ලකුණු 68යි කඩලු එකක් එකම.
And the vice captain, everybody together, even Mehreen Ali, not to bring in the B1 bowlers, not necessary, because you can keep that B1 overs a little, because the match is not going to go 63 runs if B1 bowlers are being bowled. But it is also not a hard and fast rule. It will be hit with a lot of power from Deepika TC through covers, boundary again, and this is the second one of the over. So this is what I was trying to say, Sena, where you don't have to have the B1 bowlers bowl to strong batters like this. You continue with the other bowlers, break the partnership, or at the other end, bring another B3 or a B2 bowler. But that was a bad ball, has been punished.
මේ පන්දුව පහරක් එල්ල නොකළා නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් වයිඩ් පන්දුවක්. It would have been called wide. and පන්දුව පහරක් එල්ල කරපු නිසා ලකුණු 4ක් එකතු වෙනවා වයිඩ් පන්දුවක් සටහන් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේ තමයි තරග කොන්දේසි අපි විශේෂයෙන්ම පන්දු මේ ක්‍රීඩිකාවන් වර්ග කිසිම දෙයක් පෙනෙන්නේ නැහැ මේ ක්‍රීඩිකාවන්ට.
Correct.
Totally blind.
Correct. And I will try and come in there as well as another big shot. Wow, no wrong here committed here by Sumaira Malik. Let me tell you that it was a proper ball on target, and every time there's a boundary you see every Indian player cheering, and also the captain gets a big hug there from Aneka Devi Thakur, because they know this is the big epic clash. And now see, the ball was on target, Sena. It was Deepika TC who made room for herself, waited for it and whipped it through that mid-wicket region for a boundary. And you rightly mentioned about there is to go out there and make sure don't have these B1 bowlers. That's a whip shot behind the keeper, strongly played away, and that's another boundary here for Deepika TC as the ball was going down the leg side. Yeah, Busara was there. Bushara Ashraf was very close to that ball also as well. What's this? As the shot was very strongly played, and after the shot, you see that friendly camaraderie.
Narrow
After the-
escape for wicket keeper.
Totally. No. After the shot, the captain said, sorry there for the keeper. There. We should have kept that. It is a friendly camaraderie that has been shown. And once again, a big shot. Similar kind of looking shot. Another boundary. They want to finish this in a hurry. Pakistan can't pull this down, isn't it? Nicely. That's the second boundary that we're watching.
තමත් පෙර හතරේ පහරේ පුනරූපණය ඔබට දක්වන්න ලැබෙන ඉතින්
That big player of the match award as well that she got in 91. She was dismissed on against Australia and directs it. Do they want to check this? This will be close. This will definitely be close. Deepika TC. That was a nice pick up and throw there by Amreen Tariq. I guess the umpire wants to check.
referring to the third umpire. තුන්වෙනි මිනිසුරු වෙනුවෙන් තීරණය ලබා දෙනවා රූපානි මිනිසුරට බලමු මෙන්න පුනරූපණය නියත වශයෙන්ම දැවියාමක් යොදේ පන්දුව කඩුල්ලේ වදින විට පිටිකාරිය හිටියේ තමගේ සීමාවෙන් එපිට යන නියත වශයෙන්ම රතු බල්බය දැල්විය යුතුයි තුන්වෙනි මිනිසුරු මෙන්න
I think the red light will flash. Sena.
දෙවන කඩුල්ල දැවියන්
We were talking about breaking the partnership. This is another way of breaking the partnership as well. Amreen Tariq gets Deepika TC out, run out. The light flashing, and the umpire should also raise the finger. Yeah, there he goes, and confirms that Deepika TC should be run out. Now that's not what India would have planned. Good strong shot from Deepika TC towards the mid-off region. Amreen Tariq with a wonderful throw. She did not ground the bat in time, and of course
හොඳින්ම දැක්කා අර මැද ඉරට එහායින් පන්දුව පතිත උනේ මෙන්න නෝබෝල් පන්දුව එරෙහිව ලකුණු හතරක් මේ නේපාල් විනිශ්චයකාරවරයා
yeah rubbing with the B2 bowler into the attack, bowls that ball. Nothing wrong with the ball at all. Nothing wrong with the ball. It was Aneka Thakur meeting the ball little late so that she could play it behind square leg. Gesture by him to be here as well. I think that should be a no ball. Yeah, it is a no ball, and that's in the gap again towards deep back of square leg. Boundary to Fuller.
මෙන්න පුනරූපණය පන්දුව හරියාකාරව අර මැද රේඛාවට එපිටින් පතිත වන්නේ ඒ අනුව නෝබෝල් පන්දුවක් සංඥා කරනවා මේ තමයි ක්‍රීඩිකාවන් විශේෂ
score, but India just too good for Pakistan in this run chase.
Very good, and that's the winning runs. India have made history here in the first ever SBI Women's T20 cricket tournament for the blind in the World Cup. They win by a massive 8-wicket victory. There they go. There they run. Aneka Devi Thakur, the hero of this wonderful run chase. India win by 8 runs. And they've beaten Pakistan here. And they stay clean there, Ricky. They won all their 5 league matches.
They will come back a stronger team, no doubt about it, in the next 3 games, looking to cement their place in the semi-finals.